Welcome to our tutorial on how to hang string lights, brought to you by Interior Fit-Out Company. AE. String lights are a fantastic way to add warmth and charm to your outdoor space. Whether you're looking to create a cozy ambience for a romantic dinner or a fun party with friends, string lights can help set the mood. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and materials you'll need. String lights, outdoor extension cord, screw hooks, pliers, measuring tape, ladder. Step 1. Measure the distance between the screw hooks to ensure that the lights will be evenly spaced. This will help you determine how many string lights you need and where to place the screw hooks. Step 2. Measure the area where you want to hang the string lights. This will help you determine how many string lights you need and where to place the screw hooks. Step 3. Use pliers to screw the hooks into the surface where you want the lights to hang. Make sure the hooks are secure and evenly spaced. Step 4. Attach the string lights to the screw hooks. Start at one end and work your way across, making sure the lights are evenly spaced and not tangled. Step 5. Use some measuring tape to ensure that the lights are hung at the desired height and distance from each other. Step 6. Plug in the lights and enjoy your new enchanting outdoor space. String lights create a warm and inviting atmosphere that you and your guests will love. By following these simple steps, you can create an enchanting outdoor space that you'll love spending time in.